More?
Drop the egg. Yeah. Okay, go. More.
Steak. Vanilla steak.
Yeah.
Oh, this one is a dough.
Yeah, we'll add flour.
Parang
Pancake mix. More pancake mix.
Oil and even make a blend.
Hungry na, baby. I want my pancake. Give me my pancake.
What are you gonna do there?
What are you making? Donut. Yeah, you have to oil the pan. Let your tita do it. It's hot, okay?
Well, can we buy ticket dinner picture?
Ano ba yun, love?
Tomato, 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 tomato.
Ismosa naman yung baby mo. Gonna burn.
Huh?
You're not gonna burn.
Pero magandang ano yun.
Oo nga eh.
Highlight.
Ano yung burn? Hindi ba ito si Zoe?
Wow! You're not gonna eat that peanut. It's a nut.
What did you mix, Gabby? What's that? Show them. Gabby, what's that? Chocolate?
Really cool ko, wala ka loko.
Ay. Oreo with sprinkles, mallows, nips, and everything like. Wow! Zoe, hindi naka-eat ng donut. Kasi bawal pa kay baby. Oh.
Hi guys, today we're
Made
making
donut.
donut. We are making some sprinkles and
You add
hot chocolate and cook. Hi.
Thank you for watching. Bye.